Hello everyone, my name is Cecilia Milato from grade 11 Diligence. So, for this video, I will be explaining to you quadratic functions. So, a quadratic function is defined as a polynomial where the highest degree of any variable is 2. In other words, a term in the equation will have an exponent to the power of 2. An equation such as f of x equals 1x squared plus 4x minus 1 would be an example of a quadratic function because it has x to the second power as its highest term. How to solve quadratic function? So we have examples here that are provided. So examples number 1. f of x equals 3x squared plus 7. Find f of negative 3. So to solve this, we have to replace x with negative 3. So f of negative 3 equals 3. So 3x squared has an x, so we have to replace x with negative 3. So negative 3 squared is 9. So f of negative 3 equals 3 close parenthesis 9 plus 7. So f of negative 3 equals 3 times 9 is 27 plus 7, it is 24. So that is the first example. So let's continue to the second example. So the second example is, the given is f of x equals 2x squared plus 9. Find f of 5. So we have to replace x with the given. So f of 5 equals 2 close parenthesis 5 squared plus 9. F of 5 equals 2. So 5 squared is 25 plus 9. F of 5, so 2 2 times 25 is 50 plus 9 is 59. So that is the second example. So for the third example, f of x equals 3x squared plus 9 plus 9x plus 6. Find f of 3. So we have to replace x with the number 3. F of 3 equals 3 close parenthesis 3 squared plus 9 close parenthesis 3 plus 6. F of 3 equals 3. So 3 squared is 9 plus 9 times 3 equals 27 plus 6. So 3 times 9 is 27 plus 27 plus 6. So we have 60. So that is all for my presentation.